Welcome back, blessed family. Pedro here with another video, and I want to share with you guys this amazing gold trade we took that went over 200 pips in profit, guys, in our direction. This morning, it's March 13th at 10 a.m. And we were able to catch this opportunity. I shared it with my VIP students, and I also hinted it off to our live stream. So yeah, guys, if you're looking to learn how to level up your trading, make sure you guys stick around and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you my exact strategy and how I was able to catch this trade. Alright guys, so let's dive in. So what did I see, guys? So we were actually able to catch over 130 pips in my VIP, but price actually ended up going a lot further than I anticipated. But I'm going to show you exactly what I saw, guys. So make sure you guys stick around, and if you're new to the family, guys, welcome. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss out on any single piece of content. With that being said, guys, let's just dive right in. Okay, so what was I seeing? So we knew that gold was going to come back up to these highs. This was a level of structure that I said gold may come back up and continue to go to the upside. Now, I knew that overall we were creating some sort of a double bottom on the higher time frame. So if we look over here, this looks like a nice clean double bottom. You can see it right over here. So on the right hand side, do you see that double bottom formation right there? Beautiful. It looks very, very clean, very textbook. And so I knew that the overall extension here from Friday, we got that nice buy opportunity on gold, which we got in and we didn't miss out on that opportunity. But also we were starting to see a continuation for gold and a strength on gold and weakness in the dollar. So what I saw, guys, and I want you guys to understand, so make sure you guys pay attention to what I'm going to tell you right now. If you've been struggling with your trading and having a hard time finding the perfect entries, this video is for you. So make sure you guys listen closely to what I'm about to tell you. Not only did I focus on key levels of structure, I looked at the bigger picture as always. So the daily was giving me an indication that we were forming a double bottom. Okay, so I'm going to point this out here because I don't know if you can see my mouse there, but double bottom formation. Then we were starting to get this push. We were slightly breaking the neckline, but this push here, this candle, this was this morning, right after everything. So what I saw at this point was I narrowed this down to the 30-minute. I knew that we were still kind of after this strong push from Friday and kind of this sort of consolidation that we left off of. I started to see some sort of a wedge pattern formation form, guys. So take a look at this. We started to kind of form higher highs and we were starting to form higher lows, right? So this started to form some sort of a wedge pattern formation. I said, you know what, guys, this is what I'm seeing. If we break or at least give some sort of a rejection here to this level of structure here, look at this previous level of resistance, right? And it was holding it as a future level of support. I said, if we are able to respect this support level, let's say this candle here gives us some sort of a rejection, I'm going to be getting in on buys. Now, I know that can be a little bit risky and it looks a little risky because you never know, it might come back down once more. Yes. But what also helped me with my trading decision to get in on buys on gold was that I looked at the dollar. And when we were at the dollar, we were at a major resistance area here. So we rejected this level structure once, we came back down, then it came back up again to this resistance high. And what happened? Price was starting to reject. This didn't happen, by the way. So none of this existed when I got up this morning at 8 a.m. but we had gotten this rejection. So I'm dropping some sauce here, guys, because I'm telling you what I saw before all of this happened in this big move here. I started to see a rejection here on gold and I noticed that it was failing to go down lower. And why was I looking at potential buys here? Because I looked to the left. That was a previous level of resistance. That was the only reason why it gave me that extra kind of support to be like, yeah, you know what? It might push up a little bit higher. It might respect this level because it has respected it over here in the past. Look, price came up to this level and what happened? Melted. Came back up to these highs. What happened? It melted. So I knew that, okay, if we're able to, we've kind of broken above it, that level, this previous level, and we're able to respect it and hold it as a level support, you best bet that most likely if it's able to respect this level structure, I'm going to look for continuation of buys. And if the dollar is weakening and the dollar just is giving us rejection, so we saw rejection here, guys. Look at this candle here. We can look at the bottom end here. Look at the bottom end of the chart. You can see this was, okay, 8 a.m. So that was New York open, 7:45. We started seeing holding this level support, but I saw this kind of double top formation and I knew that in the past this level of resistance was respected. So I was like, this next candle, if it gives us a rejection, that means the dollar's going to melt. Most likely it's going to come back down to these lows down here. And price went exactly as expected. We saw that strong push on Dixie to the downside. So we saw weakness in the dollar, which was that extra confirmation that we were anticipating gold to continue to go higher. Guys, we profited over, I was able to take profit $900. It was about 1,000. It was floating around 1,100, but I was able to profit over $900 USD, guys, literally in a matter of half an hour to 40 minutes, guys. And price, in fact, if I would have kept it here, it did pull back. So obviously this is why you take your profits, guys, especially when you're in profits. Part of managing risk is moving your stop loss to entry, taking partial profits, right? Don't leave all your money on the table. Always take your profits, guys, right? But don't also take it out too early, right? You want to also kind of, be smart with it. Keep a balance, right? So long story short, guys, take a look at this. Gold profited over 204 pips this morning. It is March 13th, and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. And like I said, we were creating higher highs, higher lows, and we broke above this previous level of resistance. We respected it as a level of support. The dollar was weak, and that's literally what I saw, guys. And price went exactly as expected. I called it in my VIP inner circle students, guys, and I let them know, and they profited as well. We profited in total over 130 pips, TP1 at 80 pips. And so yeah, guys, if you've been struggling with your trading and you've been looking to kind of like take your trading to that next level, or maybe you feel lost, maybe you need clarity, whatever the case is, I want you to know that this is a community here you can count on. It's absolutely free to join here, guys. It's free to subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any live streams I create or any videos or new content that I pull out. And if you feel called, you feel that, you're tired of blowing your account, you're tired of, starting from square one, make sure you join in my VIP, guys. Right now I have a lifetime discount. The reason why I've discounted the lifetime is because I want to keep seeing my students grow in their journey. I have students from since last year, October, since I pulled out the program, and they've been a part of it, and being able to see them grow in their journey is such a blessing to be a part of and witness. So if you're looking to level up your trading and you feel called to that, the link is in the video description below to join in, guys. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out. Don't be shy, guys. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. What do you think gold gonna do, guys? Do you think gold is gonna continue to go higher? Do you think we're going to reject this level structure highs here? Again, right? Look at the higher time frames, guys. I looked at the higher time frames and I noticed that we were coming up and we still had more room to the upside. Now, what I personally think is that we may see a rejection to these highs to the downside. So we may see a retest of this neckline. So this is a potential double bottom on the higher time frame like the daily. Wait for a retracement, and then we can anticipate a potential push to the highs, right? So beautiful turnout, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you were able to catch something knowledge out of this video. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you until next time.